welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we're going to be talking about a very practical thing, how to decide whether to choose a particular position over another. Now, I've spoken in the past about the concept of, we shouldn't be looking for title, we should be looking for position, we should be looking for opportunity. What does that mean? In really looking at any position, what future opportunities come from that position? And in that, what can I do to grow? What can I grow in that position that I would not normally be able to grow? The other things you need to consider is, what will other people see if I move in that particular position? They may see one thing versus another, and you know what the interesting part is? Your attitude, the way you present yourself, makes a huge difference in what that position becomes. You actually make it become the position that you want it to be. So if you want it to be a horrible position, you can make that happen just based off of your attitude alone. If you want it to be the best position in the world, and everybody else sees that as a growth opportunity, even though the actual outsides or the day-to-days seem very mundane or seem very insignificant to you, you can make that happen as well. And it's not just about attitude or try to dream this thing up. It's really about what you're going to see the future in. And so I would encourage you to think about, with every position, don't look for title, don't look for position, but look for opportunity and capability that you'll be growing in. Because ultimately, it's about a difference of strategies. One strategy is very focused on objective base. I'm going to be objective, I'm going to go on this particular linear path, and that's how it's going to get me to X, right? A goal-based, objective-based mindset is a high-risk option, honestly, because you only have a specific path that you can go through. If any one time you're off that path, your path ends. Now, what if you turn it around and say, I'm on a systems approach. I'm looking at particular capabilities that I can then acquire with time, and I'm looking to just grow my capabilities. Of course, master them, but also grow them in different ways. What that does is that it positions you for positions that you yourself have not previously considered. So now you're increasing your option space, and from there, now you can make moves. By doing so, what you end up doing is you end up increasing your opportunity. So again, not thinking about a position or title, think about what can I grow in this position, and that's what I should choose, the one that grows me the most in the direction that enables more capability in the future. I hope this was helpful for you. Until next time, bye.